Here we are working on a Volkswagen with a plug from the oil when you drain it, and you're gonna change the oil. Before you change it, you see it that it leaks in your driveway. This is the original washer. I put another one that didn't work, and I tried different ones, different washers, even these, and didn't work until I tried a plastic one. You can find that at Rally's. Maybe AutoZone has it too. And this one seemed to be working perfectly fine. Now it's not leaking around the area. And I tried copper once, it didn't work neither. It was leaking. Here's another one like the Volkswagen, the original one. You press it and it squeezes it, you know. So it's leaking a lot of oil from the oil pan. So I changed the oil, and I noticed that the ring was, still leaking after I put it on. So I went and bought I tried 2-3 different ones that still kept leaking until I put this plastic one. It seems to be working perfectly fine. Just make sure you get the right size for yours. If your oil plug is leaking, this plastic one will work fine. It's like bluish. The color is blue, just plastic. That's the only one I put on it. I didn't put double or nothing, just the screw and the plastic washer. That's all I did. And it seems to be working perfectly fine. Not even one drop yet. I've been waiting here for 10 minutes and nothing. So yeah, this is a Volkswagen. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on how to repair your car. And this is a oil leak from the oil plug repair. Thanks for watching. Part was $3, by the way. Thanks for watching, guys.